I don't.
How come you started doing it?
Because we needed to do it. We didn't have nothing. We didn't have any events. We didn't have nowhere to go. We couldn't go to the clubs. We couldn't go anywhere.
Why did you start?
Because we need a forum where we can come together as a culture, talk, have panels. This is the only event where you got panels, a jam or whatever. We've always had panels.
I'm such a stadium player. You see Madonna right there, Madonna right there. I'm in your media player. Oh, with these punches I won this. I'm number 1 out of 100. Race to the top with a smash. Can't take my foot off the gas. I'm undefeated, still on top. I'm not losing this fight. I'm undefeated in the game till the day that I die. I'll be the last one standing when I step in the ring. I'm undefeated, knock me down and I get back up again. Undefeated, undefeated, undefeated.
I agree. I stay on my grind like BBC. Big shout out to 7, not ABC. Okay, what's all the hating for like NBC? Big muscle car, look like it's from GNC. Big rims and they rub like A and D. I'm a dog and the gangsta call me D&G. Ghetto chicks give me cheese off the EBT.
I get money whether rain or sunny, to the dough like a nose I'm running. Smoking Bandicoot, but the clicker never crash like dummy. Secret girl probably hiding in the tummy. Counting dead people. Banks tell them G.O. They mad cause we get dough, we wind like TiVo. And if them haters try, we carry weapons that's lethal. No Danny Glover, no need for a sequel.